Hey everyone, welcome to Origami Land. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of origami with an exciting tutorial on how to create an origami dolphin. And that's not all. Stick around till the end, and you'll get exclusive access to tutorials on crafting an origami fish and a delightful origami crab. Trust me, you won't want to miss these. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our thrilling content. Origami isn't just about folding paper. It's an art that embodies patience, precision, and boundless creativity. The origami dolphin, in particular, showcases how simplicity and elegance can merge to create something truly special. Starting with just a square piece of paper, we'll guide you through each step, transforming it into a graceful dolphin that's sure to impress your friends. Picture the joy of creating an artistic piece that entertains and amazes. As you follow along, you'll not only hone your origami skills, but also gain a deeper appreciation for this timeless craft. From the first crease to the final fold, this tutorial guarantees you'll master the techniques needed to bring your origami dolphin to life. Each fold takes you closer to becoming an origami expert, offering valuable tips and tricks that can be applied to other projects. The magic of origami lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. A single sheet of paper, meticulously folded, can become a work of art that brings joy and sparks imagination. The dolphin is a perfect example of this magic, turning a flat piece of paper into a dynamic creation that charms and captivates. Throughout this video, we'll explore each fold's intricacies, offering useful insights and valuable tips to ensure your dolphin looks perfect. We'll highlight the importance of precision and patience, showing how these qualities can elevate your origami skills. You'll find that each fold brings a sense of calm and focus, revealing the therapeutic benefits of this art form. As you master the origami dolphin, you'll develop skills applicable to various other projects. The techniques you learn here will serve as a foundation for more complex creations, opening the door to endless possibilities. Whether you're aiming to impress your friends, find a new hobby, or enjoy a moment of creative zen, this tutorial is the perfect starting point. Origami reflects life itself, requiring patience, practice, and the willingness to learn from each fold. It's a meditative practice that soothes the soul. Crafting the origami dolphin is like embarking on a miniature journey, culminating in a satisfying piece of art. Imagine the conversations this little creation will spark, the smiles it will bring, and the joy of saying, "I made this." Origami is more than just a craft. It's an expression of creativity, a dance between hands and paper that results in something beautiful and tangible. The dolphin, with its elegant design and simple beauty, is a gateway to endless possibilities origami offers. So grab your paper and get ready to embark on this exciting origami adventure. By the end of this video, you'll have created an impressive origami dolphin and taken your first step toward becoming a master of the craft. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling origami projects. Let's unfold the magic of paper folding together.